warm welcome from Malik. I'm a PTE trainer, PTE tutor at PTE Tutorials. We keep on coming up with new videos, aspiring videos, great motivational videos in the form of testimonies. Today we have Gaurav. Gaurav is one of those scholars who is close to 90. Gaurav, your score is 87 with speaking 90, then reading is 86. 84 is in listening and 82 is in writing. Gaurav, how could you do that?
Yeah, so I started my preparation around 3-4 months back. Okay. So I started studying 2 hours each, and I know my speaking score was always 90. So I wanted to focus more on the writing and listening and reading itself. So I took the coaching for PTE Tutorials for 2 weeks from Shruti, and it really helped me a lot. She helped me sharing the tips and tricks for both reading and listening, and time management also, which is a critical component of
That's very right. That's true. That's very important.
Yeah. So after I got to know all the tips and tricks, and I just appeared, and I got my desired score 87.
Okay. So did you attempt any mock test, Gaurav? Because the PT mock test, that's what we provide. It gets you great tips and tricks for time management. That's the most important thing, because most of the people, most of the tutors, they tell you the tips, tricks, and strategies for attempting questions. But in the form of tips and tricks, if you take mock tests, it automatically gets you time management, which is very important, because most of the people, most of the students, they complain of having short time in completing or taking the PT test. So do you think PT mock tests have helped you?
Yeah, a lot. So I used to download the PTE Tutorials app on my phone and keep on practicing questions on that. And also I did a couple of mock tests from PTE Tutorials. So that helps in the time management.
True. So planning plus time management plus your expertise plus a lot of practice gets you above 80 score, right? If I'm not wrong.
That's true.
Okay. So Gaurav, thank you so much. One very last question. I know that you have very limited time because you are busy. Thanks a lot for sparing some time talking to me. Would you like to recommend PT enthusiasts about PT tutorials?
Yeah, definitely. At least, those who are struggling, scoring 79 plus, they should definitely go with 2 weeks tutorials, coaching classes which you guys provide. And it will, give you the right target, like how to practice. And, it will definitely bump up your score. And it happened with me, and I highly recommend that. And
wonderful.
Teachers like you and Shruti and Nilay, you guys are doing excellent, seriously.
Thank you so much for your kind words. Such few words inspire us. They boost our morale, and we come better than what we were again. So thank you so much, Gaurav, for sparing time and getting us a testimonial, a wonderful testimonial. I wish you all the very best. Friends, if you want to score high, if you want to score the targeted, particular target, please enroll with PT Tutorials. Get coached by us and get the desired score. Keep on watching this video, keep on watching this space. We'll coming up with next videos, many more testimonies who have achieved their score. By then, bye-bye. Take care. Malik here, signing off. Thank you so much.